everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Tubi account. So let's get started. Launch open a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box type in tubitv.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official site for Tubi. Go ahead and click on the register link at the top right hand corner in order to continue signing up for a new account. Tubi TV is an American streaming service that offers a wide range of movies and television shows for free. But it is supported by advertising, so you will be going through advertisements every now and then. It is also available on various platforms and devices, making it a cost-effective option for those looking to stream content without a subscription. Once you end up in this page, you can go ahead and select any one method you want to sign up with. You can continue login with your existing Google accounts. Click on Continue with Google and enter your Google account's credentials. You can also use this Continue with Facebook option. Go ahead and click on it, enter your Facebook account's email and password, or you can register for a new account via email. If you want to continue with email, you'll first need to enter your first name and on the next field, type in a valid email address. Now, create a new password for your account and finally click on Next. On the next page, you'll also need to enter some of your personal information. For example, enter your age, select your gender, and click Continue. Soon after you are done, you'll be taken to the main homepage of Tubi TV, which means you've successfully created an account. You can now go ahead and select from the list of movies, TV shows, live TV shows, and much more. So that is how you can easily sign up for a Tubi account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.